That's my home, and this is my work from home setup. We'll give you context by going ahead and going inside the house. I'm sure Allison will be super mad about this because it's not all cleaned up and beautiful, but I'll just go really fast. Dining room, kitchen, deck. Say hi, Graham. And then over here, we have bathroom, Allison's office and stuff. And here's my office. Bunch of junk in the corner we're not going to look at. The plotter, bookshelf, laser printer, broken computer, old computer, some IoT stuff, some samples and things, and then the main two computers. Normally on the left, we have the work PC, but it went into recovery mode, and without being able to get into an office, that's how it's going to stay for a while. But normally that's up with the big giant monitor there. The TV there is its spare monitor, and then I work on that a bunch for things. I'm faking it all in the web interfaces. So that's my main Mackie workstation. When I said broken computer, sometimes I can work on the deck or in the living room or something with that one, but it's broken. So this is where I do most of the work. I am a tablet guy. I have a mouse basically for when the tablet breaks or somebody borrows my computer. Pen should be in there, but I just throw it wherever. The bright pink top is so you can actually find things. What else have we got over here? Touch templates, a loop, which is like a magnifier thing. So if I want to really look at a screen, I can zoom right in. Business cards for people I've met at conferences and haven't yet bothered to get everything together with, though. Custom super clicky keyboard. Yes, I'm one of those kind of guys who has a super clicky keyboard, so therefore I have to be on mute all the time when I'm on calls. If you're wondering, 2 monitors, because 2 monitors are always awesome. But basically, working over there, let's see if we can do this. Drawing there, and then palettes and stuff over there. Or when I'm not in that mode, it's a lot of stuff like communication stuff. Slack, the Twitter, Skype is peeking out back there, and then browser stuff. There's file cabinets under here for things. There's recycling bin. There's battery backup power. And then I sit on this ridiculous little floppy stool thing. Occasionally, Graham comes and says hi. Say hi.